Harley Davidson is a famous American motorcycle maker that's been around for a long time. They make strong, cool bikes that last a long time. Even though they use some modern ways to build bikes, they still put them together by hand in their factories. What makes Harley Davidson's handmade process special, and why do people love their bikes so much? Well, the special part happens on the assembly line, where they turn raw materials into those classic motorcycles everyone loves. The assembly process begins with the motorcycle's frame, which is usually made from steel or aluminum. It's checked very carefully to make sure it's really good. Once the frame is approved, they start putting together all the parts that make the bike. But before they put any part on the bike, they check it very, very closely. They look at every detail and make sure it's perfect, just like how the company wants it. After all the parts are checked and tested, the skilled workers at Harley Davidson start building the bike. These workers are experts in making motorcycles, and they take a lot of pride in their work. They put each part on the bike carefully, making sure everything fits right and is tightened correctly. The assembly of Harley Davidson motorcycles is like a well-coordinated dance, with skilled workers meticulously putting parts together without errors. This process makes the bike gradually take shape as they add the engine, wheels, and electronics. After assembly, there's a thorough check to ensure top quality. Harley Davidson stands out because of the immense attention to detail and pride the workers take in their craft, including hand-painting each bike for perfection. While they're putting the bike together, the workers are super careful. They look at every part really closely, making sure everything is just right. They even pay attention to things like how thick the paint is and how the exhaust sounds. They don't leave anything to luck. Each worker has a special job, and they really care about what they do. They don't stop being careful once the bike is put together. They check it one more time to make sure everything is perfect. The workers look at every little part of the bike, making sure there are no mistakes or problems. If they find anything that's not right, they fix it before sending the bike to the customer. Harley Davidson bikes are famous for being really good and lasting a long time because they're made by hand. But it's not just about making bikes. They also come up with cool new designs and use the latest technology. The Harley Davidson workers are super serious about their work. They get that each bike they make is more than just a thing. It's like making a piece of art. They understand that their customers really love their bikes and want them to be amazing. So they work really hard to make sure every single thing on the bike is just right. Thank you for taking this tour of the Harley Davidson factory with us. Whether you're a big Harley Davidson fan or just like seeing how motorcycles are made, you can see the love and hard work in every Harley Davidson bike. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait. Our channel is awesome. Just like a Harley Davidson, you won't regret being a part of it.